a completely PC-free method where we'll explain all the steps to fix and recover your phone. As you can see here, this device has that little padlock in the upper left corner, which is what happened to our phone. What we did was format it, reset our phone. But we didn't remove the Google account that was on our cell phone. If that's your case, and you still have that padlock there and haven't been able to get to the home screen, don't worry because we're going to explain a completely PC-free method that will allow you to recover it. Another thing I want to recommend is telling us what you found and if this exclusive video tutorial worked for you. If it didn't work, tell us what didn't work so we can guide you and help you recover your phone. We're going to click here and connect to a Wi-Fi network. Now, as always, the idea is to get back to where it all started. The first thing we did was change that screen lock. After a while, we had already forgotten that this was also one of the options we tried. We changed our screen lock. But after a while, we had already forgotten about it. If that's your case, it often happens that what we do is sometimes people reset their phone because it's very slow. If you're one of those people who reset their phone and you remember the screen lock it had, I recommend that you add it. This will give you access to recover it without having to watch the entire video tutorial. That would also be one of the fastest ways to solve this and recover your device. But let's say you don't remember the screen lock. Here, it also gives us the option to use my Google account. If you're the type of person who remembers their Google account, I recommend that you add the email here. Click Next, add the password, and it will give you the option to recover it. It doesn't matter if you had 1 account, 2 accounts, 3 accounts, or 5 accounts, which after you add one correctly gives you the option to recover it. Also gives you the option here if you don't know the email. You can add the phone number, which is the most important thing. When we create a Google account, it always asks for a phone number. If you remember that number, if you have the phone number, add it here. Click Next. And you'll receive a recovery code on your phone, giving you the opportunity to recover it. If you don't remember any of that, you'll go back, click here on Policy. Scroll down, click here, scroll to the last page. And what we're going to do is click on this profile. These devices now let us in to recover the phone. But they don't let us share it. Previously, we shared it here, and it would work, but these phones aren't allowing sharing anymore. So, what we're going to do is make the device give us an error, make it lag. That's where we'll take advantage of the fact that it will give us the option to share. When that appears, the phone will be completely recovered. I'll explain why we're going to do this. It usually takes some time. You can see, this appears on one side, it takes a certain amount of time, sometimes it takes a while. If it's your case, it has worked for me sometimes in about 70 or 80 clicks. When I click it quickly, it works. The share option appears. Sometimes we might take a long time, so what we do is restart the phone and do the same thing again. When the error message appears again, we Click to the side and try again. But this always works, as you can see here. It didn't take long, on some devices. It sometimes takes a while, but here it didn't take long. With these errors that the system gave us, the phone is now fully recovered. How are we going to log in? Let's see if it lets us access Google Chrome. We click here, where it says, Use without Google account. You can see that it lets us in. The device is now fully recovered. Let's write our official page. I'll show you how to write it so you can write it exactly as it appears here on the screen. Right now, so that you can support us right here, you'll be able to find the solution. What are you going to do here? Click here where it says, Accept. Let's go down to the last options that appear here. Click Load More. Here you'll see this little padlock. Click here. Some methods will appear. Read carefully, these are methods. Here you'll see Screen Lock. Let's click here on this screen lock. Since we have a pattern, so as not to get confused, we're going to enter a PIN. I'm going to enter a PIN here. 1 2 3 4, next, 1 2 3 4, confirm. And if you can see that it gives us the confirmation. That's it. Now what are we going to do? We're going to go back. We're going to go back. Sorry. We click Next. We already had a pattern. Now we're going to have a different option. The pattern we had has already been replaced by the PIN that we added. If you can see that it already appears. To avoid confusion with the pattern, we do this. Add 1 2 3 4, and click Next. You can see that we now have the option to recover our device. Here's the option. When you see this Skip Account option, it means the process has been successful. Here you can add. Let's add 1 2 3 4. OK. Click Cancel here, then OK. Then OK. We wait here. Click Skip here, then Next. Then Next, and here we are finalizing this recovery process in the easiest and fastest way possible. A completely PC-free method.